Don't spend another sleepless night keeping your loved ones awake. Opens your airway so you can breathe easily without waking your loved ones. Easy to use and quiets annoying snoring the first night, guaranteed. Custom molded teeth impressions comfortably and securely holds your mouthpiece in place. Patented adjustment mechanism allows for precise lower jaw advancement. Readjustable as needed. Yes. And My Snoring Problem Adjustable. Patented design for effectiveness and comfort. Vitalsleep treats snoring using the same method of mandibular jaw advancement that doctors and dentists use. It/s free of latex and BPA. Vitalsleep is made in the USA from 100% USA-sourced FDA-approved materials. Once you begin using your Snore Guard nightly, you should experience an immediate improvement in the quality of your sleep. Order Vitalsleep at a single affordable price and a 1-year unlimited warranty.